make sure the gutter's cleaned out at the end of the season or beginning of the season. Probably, at the end of the season here for the fall. If this is what you got going on, make sure that gets cleaned out, and make sure, most importantly, that the elbow here, as you can see, what will end up happening is that elbow there gets trapped, okay, and then it backs up from there. So you got to make sure we get that all cleaned out. See how that's packed in there? Want to make sure that's cleaned out. So probably run a little water through here, flush it out, make sure it's good and clean. Okay, so that's a little tip here going into wintertime for you fellow homeowners. Okay, so since our downspout is packed quite a bit, we're gonna have to pull it off. You can see it's where it sits in here. It's already backing up in here. So what we're gonna do is, instead of trying to flush it out, which can be a little bit of a pain in the ass, what we're gonna end up doing is just popping this elbow off and cleaning it out from within. So I'll show that to you next. So that's what's holding everything up. It's just clogged and just packed in there, so we'll get that cleaned out. And that's about it. Good luck. Get those gutters cleaned before the snow flies.